so annoying that you're smart, that your casual conversation, even a short duration, can cover everything from science-based to art. It's so obnoxious that you're kind, that you always have time for family and help out if...
Good morning, you guys. I really question myself sometimes. Like, why did I think it was a good idea to wear this long sweatshirt and these sweatpants from White Fox in 85-degree weather? I really couldn't tell you. Also, my hair is not being good right now. I honestly don't even know what to do about it. So if anyone has like good recommendations for helping hair growth, please let me know because it's really stressing me out. Updates on my apartment. So today's just gonna be like a vlog of me like cleaning, doing some shopping and stuff like that. I am doing my transformation videos. They are all in the progress of coming into videos, but I'm still waiting for things I ordered to come in. I ordered things from Amazon, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, so I'm waiting for all those things to come in, and I don't want to post a half-ready transformation, so those are coming probably within the next like week or two. I did just go to the store and I got some decorations that I wanted to show you guys. I got this little, it's like a vase from At Home, but I wanted it because I want to use it as a book stopper. So basically I'm gonna have books like lined up, so 1, 2, 3, and then I'm gonna use this to put it on the last book. I think that would look really cute. I also got this really cute candle. So it's like a rainbow candle, and I thought it would be good decor for like a shelf or something. The last thing I got from At Home is this little vase. As I told you guys in other videos, I'm going for like a neutral theme in my apartment. I thought that this one was so pretty. I am doing like pops of color on my shelves and my wall, trying to go for greens and pinks, so that's what I'm trying to do. And then I have 2 little aura paintings above my couch. I went to Target and I got this little book. This is a collection of recipes and I just thought it was so cute. I'm probably gonna put this in my living room because I need more decor in my living room, but I got this. It was 30% off, so I was like, you know what? Yes, I'm getting that. And then I got some food. I just got some chicken, bacon, pickles, peppers, and garlic. The last thing I got, I'm not showing it, but it's basically just a plunger for the toilet and like a scrubber to clean the toilet. That is basically what I did this morning. It's now 11 o'clock. I was going to go to the gym, but I couldn't get in an Orange Theory class, so I think me and Chad are just gonna go to my apartment gym later. I think right now I'm going to go make some food because I'm really hungry. I don't really know a lot of what I'm doing today, but I just figured I would take you guys along my little vlog, so that's what we're gonna do. Popping in really quick to give you the details about today's sponsor, and that is Ana Luisa. So as you guys know, I've worked with Ana Luisa before, and they make really good quality jewelry. I actually wanted to give you a quality update on this jewelry because I've had this for, I want to say, almost 8 months now, and it has not tarnished at all. So this is the first little bracelet. I got this a while ago and it is beautiful. It's a gold bracelet. I'm obsessed with it. I wear it a lot, especially to work, and when I tell you guys it looks literally new, I am obsessed with how this piece still looks. There is literally no rust on it, and I just think it is a very good quality brand. I also got one of my favorite necklaces, and honestly I wore this literally the whole entire fall and winter. So it looks like this, and again, it did not tarnish at all. I absolutely love it, and it has a front clasp, which is amazing because it makes putting on my jewelry so easy, especially in the morning when I'm in a rush. With that, I also got some new pieces that I wanted to share with you guys as well. Before I go into the new pieces I got, I wanted to tell you guys some things about Ana Luisa that makes me love them even more. So Ana Luisa is a jewelry brand that is crafted to help the planet. The brand is carbon neutral, and I think anything that helps the planet is so beneficial to everything and is amazing. Also, all their products are backed up by a 2-year warranty, which is amazing. They have all different types of jewelry, from earrings to necklaces to bracelets, and most of their jewelry is at a very affordable price. And the last thing I wanted to mention is they also offer free and fast US shipping. I think I got my order within like 2 to 3 days. With all that being said, I am so excited to show you guys the necklaces and the earrings that I got. So the first thing I got is this beautiful shell necklace that I'm actually wearing right now. It reminds me so much of summer, and I literally have been wearing it so much from the second I got it. I love the beach so much that just having things around me that remind me of the beach are amazing. The quality is amazing, and I would really recommend this necklace. And then the other thing I got that I wanted to share with you guys are these beautiful heart earrings. I think these earrings are such a good staple to wear with a cute little outfit when you're going out. But with that being said, I think that Ana Luisa is amazing, and I think that you guys will love them as well. I do do have a 20% off discount code for you guys. You can use my code SamanthaCosta20 for 20% off your order at checkout. And let me know what you guys get because I am very, very curious, and I'll have what I have linked down below. Thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video, and let's get back into our regular scheduled content. My room like looks so messy, it's like annoying me, but I just sharked my hair out, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but my hair just like really isn't doing well, so I'm trying not to put heat on it, but I have to film a sponsorship and my hair just like isn't working right now, so I had to try something, and even this doesn't look good, so I'm gonna try to fix it. I've been trying to train my hair to not get washed every single day because I mentioned this in my self-care video, but I used to wash my hair every single day and I think it really damaged my hair. I also think I'm lacking vitamins, so I am going to the doctor about that, but I am trying to figure out what I could do because my hair used to be really thick and now it's like really thin, and it happened very, very fast. I know I said that I was literally sweating outside, but now I'm freezing. It makes no sense. I just DoorDashed Starbucks because I was in the middle of doing this and I just needed a drink so badly and I didn't want to go out. I filmed what I needed to film and I'm going to edit that later. I really need to clean. Right now, actually, my hair kind of looks kind of full, which is weird, but like from the back, I feel like it doesn't. I don't know, it just feels not healthy and it's making me really upset. I did order things that are supposed to help. I ordered vitamins, I ordered rosemary oil, a scalp brush, and then I'm also trying not to wash my hair as much, so I'm using dry shampoo, which I don't know if I'm supposed to do that either, but my hair is getting so greasy because I'm not, and I go to the gym like 5 times a week, so that's not helping either because I'm sweating. So I'm trying to figure out a alternative, so if anyone knows, please let me know because I would really appreciate it. I am going to the doctor and I'm gonna ask her about that when I go. But with that being said, I think right now I'm going to do some editing. I did just go to Target before, as you guys know, and I got so many new decor pieces, and I also just placed an order on Amazon. I ordered a new chair for my living room, and then I also ordered a vanity chair and also some just like decor pieces. I have a lot of like plants and vases, but I wanted to get some other decor pieces that didn't fall in that category. So I got those things. I'm hosting a wine night tomorrow with my friends Brianna, Madison, and Lizzie. So I ordered a wine bottle opener because I don't have one. My apartment looks really messy though, and I don't want to have people over when it's so messy. Obviously, it's still gonna be messy because I'm still moving and everything like that. Like the walls are really plain, but I just want everything to kind of be in one spot. So even though I still didn't unpack my closet, everything's still in boxes, I'm just going to put everything to the side just so that it looks a little more neat.
My friend nostalgia, I found you when I heard the sweet sound of the ones who I once knew so well. In a voice memo from years ago, we were laughing about some nonsense. Oh, how I miss those friends. Circumstances made it so that I'll never see them.
I just finished cleaning a little bit ago, and I just had some cucumbers and some bread for a little snack, and I think Chad's gonna go to the gym soon, and I am going to watch The Summer I Turned Pretty. I have been obsessed with that show. I've been watching that, The Bachelorette, and also The Secret Life of an American Teenager. I love all of them, and The Bachelorette and The Summer I Turned Pretty all come out once a week because I'm like caught up, and then when I don't have anything else to watch, I watch The Secret Life of an American Teenager. I am rewatching that, but I'm literally obsessed with it. I love it so much. Right now I'm gonna watch I think it's the 6th episode of The Summer I Turned Pretty because I didn't watch it yet. It came out on Friday and right now it's Sunday and I need to catch up, and I also have nothing to do right now. I should be doing my closet, but me and Chad have somewhere to go in like an hour and I don't want to start something that I can't finish. So right now I'm just relaxing. I wanted to go to the gym today, but honestly I'm not feeling good and I've been doing a lot with moving. I went to the gym yesterday. I go to Orange Theory. I try to go like 4 to 5 times a week, but I am working on gaining more muscle right now, so I'm trying to go more, but right now I just don't feel good, so I think I'm going to skip today and start up again tomorrow. Right now I'm gonna watch The Summer I Turned Pretty and just kind of relax for a little bit because I haven't had a minute to relax in so long, especially because I had my close this week at work, so it was like really busy, so I just need some time to relax and chill. I finished watching The Summer I Turned Pretty, and the music in that show is so good. I love Taylor Swift, if you couldn't tell. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, but as you guys know, I wanted to go to the Eras tour so badly, and I didn't get get accepted as a verified fan, but she's having a Miami tour and she just announced it. So I signed up really early for that one. So hopefully they accept me as a verified fan. I don't know why I didn't get one. I think it's just because the demand was too high, because for every other concert I have gotten verified fan. So hopefully that works and I'm able to go. It's in October and I'd honestly only fly there for one day. Like I'd literally fly there and fly home on a red eye the next day because I don't want to take off of work. I'd be going on a Saturday and I also don't really want to stay in Miami in October just because the next weekend is Halloween and I love Halloween and I want to be here, and I also don't want to pay for a hotel. So if me and my friend Madison could just go for the day and then come home, like we're so down to do that because we love Taylor Swift. But I went to Target again. I need to stop going to Target, and I got these little things for my apartment. So this is a little diffuser, and I don't know where I'm gonna put all these, but I just want my apartment to smell and look very homey. So I got this little thing. I also got these essential oil diffusers. This is Airwick and it has lavender and chamomile in it. I love lavender, it really calms me down. So I got these, and I got these little things that the diffusers go in. I also got spray. So this is citrus and white oak. This smells so good. It has lavender, jasmine, and cedarwood in it, and I smelled this in the store and I was like, what is that? I literally went around and smelled everything because I loved it so much. Like I guess someone sprayed it or someone was wearing it and it smelled exactly like this. So I got room spray. And then I got a 16 by 18 inch photo frame. It looks like this. This is for my bar cart, but I don't know where to put my bar cart and it's really stressing me out. I just got that because I have a picture to put in it, but I also think that it's too big because I think that picture is 12 by 16, not 12 by 18. I'm not sure, but I think I could make it work. I just have to figure out where I should put it, and if I don't use it, then I'm going to use that wine rack as a bar cart area and use the cart I have outside of my balcony for plants and stuff like that. But that's a little update. Chad is at the gym right now and we have something to do in an hour, so I'm just kind of relaxing and trying to enjoy my Sunday. There's nothing else I can really do right now because organization and closet wise, I'm filming in other videos and everything else that I need to make those videos aren't here yet. I ordered them from like Amazon. Have to wait for those things, and I ordered something for my closet also and it's not here yet, so there's literally nothing I can do. I really wanted to make penne vodka for dinner because I've been obsessed with that lately, and starting tomorrow I'm going to go back on my health journey. I'm not doing keto again, for anyone that's asking. I'm not really going to talk about necessarily what I'm going to do. If you want that in another video I can, but I'm just going to try to eat foods that'll help my hair growth and just kind of eat more healthy foods and whole foods instead of processed, just because I want to see the benefits it'll do for my body. I am not certified in what I'm talking about, and this is just something that I'm trying for myself. But I think tonight me and Chad are honestly going to order food. We're going to his house for a little bit just to see his family, and I'll come back here later. I don't know how much I'm gonna film later. My apartment's pretty clean for my wine night. I really want to film that. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to because when I work my corporate job, I don't film, obviously. The only time I'll film is during my lunch break and in the morning, and then I don't have enough content to post the video. But I guess I could do like a work week in my life, so it'll just be before and after my work days. I don't know, let me know what you guys want. I used to post full-on work days, but the best way to do it is just do before and after my work days, which I definitely can do for you guys. And like during my lunch breaks, I'll just literally say I'm on my lunch right now for disclosure reasons. But I don't know, let me know if that's something you guys want to see, because those videos did do really good, which tells me that you guys did enjoy them and that people like watching them, and I personally really like watching them as well. I will update you guys when we go to Chad's house. I'm really craving frozen yogurt, and I wish there was one by my house because I always get a craving right before I'm about to go on like a health journey. I always like to have that food right before, and there's not a frozen yogurt by my house. It's like 20 minutes away, but it's like the opposite direction, and it's Sunday, so everything closes early. It's much later now, and I'm going to actually go to sleep because I'm exhausted. But I just wanted to end the vlog here because I always forget to do outros. I came to Chad's house, it was good. We had some food. I had pasta with chicken, and now I'm just gonna take a shower and go to bed because I wanna go to the gym in the morning. But with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to check out Ana Luisa and use my code at checkout, SamanthaCosta20. Thank you to them again for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys really soon.